Hey guys, what's up? Dragon Knight here. Sorry it's been a while and all, but let's get into that intro and then we can introduce you to the new member of the family. Hey, what's up guys? Jalal here. So it's been a while and I know I've been busy with school and all, and yeah, and I don't have that many followers, so it doesn't really matter. But anyway, we got a new addition to our family. His name is Mufasa, and he is our brand new cat. He is 2 months old, and we adopted him yesterday. He is absolutely adorable. I'll post some pictures here in a minute. But he has no tail. He was born that way. He is half Manx and half Maine Coon, and he's just an adorable little cat. His name is Mufasa. We had trouble naming him. We just couldn't think of anything. My little sister wanted to name him Loki. Nope. His name is Mufasa. And he's a bit feisty. You want to go? Okay. He left us. Anyway, here's some pictures of him, and I'm going to be posting some more videos here soon on my spray painting. So yeah, let's get into that. Peace out, guys.